Once plugins have been installed globally in Unmanic, it's time to configure a specific plugin stack or group for a specific library, as well as the other library settings. This will vary for each user depending on the desired result. Begin by opening up the library page in Unmanic settings. We have the default library with no enabled plugins. Since this default library cannot be deleted, good practice dictates we create another library for easy removal if we wish later on. Create a new library and select the desired directory. Close to save using the arrows in the top right. Now that we see our new library, tap on the config button to see the new library settings. This dialog allows you to configure how the library should behave. At the top, you can modify the library's name and path. Enabling the library scanner will include this library when carrying out automated and manually triggered scans. Not enabling will exclude this library from all scans. When the library monitor is enabled, Unmanic will start a file monitoring task against this library path and watch for any file changes in the chosen directory. File Monitor can be used in conjunction with the library scanner or independent of it. The library will do nothing on its own. In order to create any task for the files in a library, that library must first be configured with one or more plugins. To add a new plugin, click the plus button. Select a plugin from the list provided. If the plugin you require is not yet installed, select the install button. Once you have one or more plugins added to a library, you'll be able to configure their flow located toward the bottom. Use the handle on the left to drag the plugins into the order that you need them to be executed. Your specific plugin flow will be largely dependent on the chosen set of plugins. Some revision to the flow order is not uncommon for new users after some trial and error. To save the library's changes, simply close the tab using the arrow in the top right.